Hi everybody, welcome back to Python Enthusiast. Today we are going to see a Python program to demonstrate label encoding. What exactly is a label encoding? Label encoding is nothing but converting your categorical data into numerical data. There can be the data sets where you'll have some columns in the form of words or a strings. Suppose you take a data set, something like iris data set. This is our iris data set. Our target species column will contain all the three species of the flowers like setosa, versicolor, and virginica, right? So if you want to use this data set for a machine learning model, suppose there is a requirement that you are not interested in the word, you are interested in some numerical value rather than a word or a string. So how you are going to change this categorical value into a numerical value, something like setosa as 0, versicolor as 1, so virginica as 2. If you want to encode it, how you are going to do so? So for that, you need to import sklearn library. So let us quickly jump into our program. So as usual, if we are importing our numpy and pandas according to the requirement. So there is something called as sklearn, which will do library which does all the pre-processing whichever is required here. So something like our interest right now is to encode or to convert your categorical data into a numerical data. So for that we are importing from sklearn import pre-processing. Okay, so we need to add the statement. So this is how we are trying to read the data set. Earlier itself we came across this. So pd.read csv. I have a csv file iris.csv in my local machine at this path. So I gave the path and I am reading my iris csv file and storing it back into df. Okay. So this is df is data frame. So when I print this data frame, how this appears, let me just give you. So right now I have not done anything. I just imported my data set and I'm just displaying it. So this is how this appears, right? I'm trying to find the only species column. Please make a note, I'm not trying to give you the whole csv file as output. So I'm trying to display only the species column, df of species. So this is how it appears. As it is whole length, it just gave some dots here. Okay, if I want what are the unique values within that, I have a method called dot unique. Okay, method called unique. So I'm adding dot unique and I'll try to get you the unique values among the species column. So these are the unique values: setosa, versicolor, and virginica. So these are all categorical values or nothing but strings. Okay. So now we are interested to convert the strings into some numerical values. How we are going to do so? So this is the key of our program now. So now have a look at here. So so we are trying to encode the labels in the species column. So what you're trying to do? So pre-processing, we imported pre-processing. There is some method called as label encoder. So pre-processing dot label encoder, we are calling this. Once we call upon this, we are trying to store it in label underscore encoder. So now we are trying to encode our labels. So there are multiple columns in our data set. So on which column we are interested? So for that, label underscore encoder dot, there is a method called fit underscore transform which will does this conversion. So we are trying to call upon fit underscore transform of, we want it over species column. So that's why I'm passing the df and df of species and I'm trying to store it back in df of species itself. Okay, so after encode, this is how, this is a two line statement here. So we need to call upon label encoder. After calling upon the label encoder, we need to call upon the method called fit underscore transform, and over which column we are interested, we need to pass the column here. I'm interested in species, so this is where I'm trying to storing it back. After encoding, how my df of species looks like, let me run this. So if you could see, you got 0 to 1 2, maybe 1 will be there in between. So as this is a lengthy one, so we'll try to check the unique values. Okay, so similarly after encoding, run it. So after encoding 0 1 and 2, so earlier you have setosa, versicolor, virginica. So now this got converted into 0 for setosa, 1 for versicolor, and 2 for virginicum. So this is how we are going to do label encoding, which is nothing but converting your categorical values into numerical values. This mostly will be used when you're trying to give your, when you're using your data set for some machine learning development or deployment or whatever your things. So for that, we'll be using this label encoding. So with the help of label encoder, we'll be converting our categorical data into the numerical data. Categorical data is nothing but a word form or a strings form. Okay. Hope you got it. Thank you for watching.